Motorola Edge 50 Pro, a flagship smartphone that promises an exceptional user experience. In this video, we'll explore every aspect of the device, from its design to its performance, to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Join us as we delve into the world of cutting-edge technology with the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes packaged in an eco-friendly retail box, reflecting the brand's commitment to sustainability. Upon opening the box, we're greeted with the stunning purple-colored phone, immediately catching our attention. The soft touch finish covers add a touch of elegance to the unboxing experience, hinting at the premium quality of the device. Accessories include a 125-volt charger, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a black-colored cable, ensuring you have everything you need right out of the box. 2. Design and build quality. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro boasts a sleek design with a pearl finish, exuding sophistication and style. Despite being made of plastic, the back cover feels premium and durable, showcasing Motorola's attention to detail. The device features a curved display that seamlessly blends into the metal body, offering a comfortable grip and a premium feel in the hand. With IP68 protection, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is built to withstand water and dust, making it suitable for any environment. 3. Display and performance. One of the highlights of the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is its 144Hz curved display, providing smooth and immersive visuals for an unparalleled viewing experience. The high refresh rate ensures fluid animations and responsive touch interactions, whether you're gaming or scrolling through social media. Powered by advanced AI technology, the device delivers exceptional performance, allowing you to multitask seamlessly and enjoy lag-free gaming and multimedia experiences. 4. Camera capabilities. Equipped with a 50MP AI camera, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro takes photography to the next level, capturing stunning details and vibrant colors in every shot. The camera bump on the back adds a touch of elegance to the device's design while housing powerful imaging capabilities. With features like night mode and portrait mode, you can capture professional quality photos in any lighting condition, ensuring every moment is preserved with clarity and precision. 5. User experience and customization. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro offers a user-friendly experience with intuitive navigation and customizable features to suit your preferences. AI wallpapers allow you to personalize your device with stunning visuals that adapt to your style and mood, adding a touch of personality to your smartphone experience. Whether you're a power user or a casual consumer, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro caters to your needs with its seamless performance and user-friendly interface. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro impresses with its sleek design, powerful performance, and advanced camera capabilities. With a premium unboxing experience and a host of innovative features, it's clear that the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is a flagship smartphone worth considering. Thank you for joining us on this journey as we unbox and explore the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights into the latest tech trends.